Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the project and loading both the timeline and the replacement footage into the media pool. Make sure the timeline frame rate matches the new clip so speed and sync remain correct. Once done, skim the new clip in the source viewer to mark in and out points that match the duration you need. You should also check the codec and resolution. Mismatches can force re-rendering later, so fix them now. You can replace a clip by dragging the new media onto the target while holding Option-Alt for a source overwrite, or use Replace Edit from the context menu to preserve timeline duration. Pay attention to audio. Match mono versus stereo mapping and relink audio if only picture is replaced. If you need to shift later clips, toggle ripple edits. If you want to keep everything locked, leave ripple off. Once placed, scrub to finish by checking keyframes, transitions, and color grade continuity. Reapply grade or copy attributes if the new clip looks off. Make sure clips are aligned with markers and that nested timelines inherit edits correctly. If playback stutters, render the cache for the affected section and make sure proxy settings aren't interfering. One common fix: if audio drifts after replacement, use a manual slip edit or resync to a common timecode marker to restore frame-accurate alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.